Hi, my name is Ian Cordell. I'm the inventor and owner of Mobile Tech Shade, and I'm just going to kind of touch on a couple of things today, kind of put out a short video on the Mobile Tech Shade to explain a couple of its key features, how I use it on a daily basis, and how good it works. Here I've posted the Mobile Tech Shade up on the side of a glass of a Suburban, and this is a great position and a great way to use the Mobile Tech Shade for wheel repair guys. As you can see, the technician as well as the whole spot that he's working on would be completely shaded. Once you hit that sweet spot with this, the metals that are used on this, the tightening and loosening of this does not need to happen every time you use it. You can actually find a sweet spot on this and it will not wear out. Let's say you're working on the fender, and this is great, I do this all the time. You know, I'll have the sun beating down through the trees right on my back. The damage is right here. There's nowhere really to move the car. I'll have the shade like this. I can position this to where, let's say if my light is posted up off the headlight, posted down this way, myself as well as the work and the light are completely shaded the whole time you're working on your job. A couple of things that the Mobile Tech Shade offers. One is the composite fiberglass mix components that the umbrella is made of. It's a 68-inch canopy, dual reinforced throughout. All the ribs are dual reinforced, as well as the pieces in between that support the whole umbrella. It's wind resistant and UV resistant. All plastic pieces, composite pieces mixed, are what connect everything on the inside. So it locks all the way down and it locks all the way up. I've been talking about short extension and the full extension part of the shade. Now, the extension pieces that are on this are for different situations, different scenarios. I'll see a lot of guys posting online about how they keep theirs at full extension. That's fine, however it works for you. But the way that I usually use my Mobile Tech Shade, and I'll show you here. Here are the new Mobile Tech Shade clip. They lock from the upwards to the downwards position and cinch tight. So what you do is when you want to move this or put the extension in, it's as simple as bringing it all the way to the top, pulling the clip out. When you need to put it back in, find the sweet spot, put it back in, and clip it back down. It's that simple. So I usually just put my finger here and raise up. As you can see here, the pivot point to the main shaft of the Mobile Tech Shade, where the pivot is all painted. The metals that are used on this are high grade hot rolled steel as well as galvanized steel. forged inserts on the inside for strength of the shaft. And what it does is, I can't grind these down because the clearances are so tight. So what I recommend to people when they first buy this is to tighten this down to a position that you like, that's tight, and then work the Mobile Tech shade back and forth. As you can tell, I've got this thing pretty darn tight on there now. But when you first buy this, you need to pivot this on the base and wear the paint off of it to where it's metal on metal. You never want to grease the pivot point, because that will ruin the whole design of the whole shade and the pivot point. You do want to oil the screw, but you do not want to grease the pivot point. You want that to wear in really good. And once you get it to a certain point, you'll feel it start to grab. As soon as you feel it start to grab, give it a little bit more of a tighten and use your Mobile Tech shade. American made, and just a really good quality unit.